Continuing on with the news tonight, some people might say this is the month of July, which is summertime. Others might just call it the middle of construction season, and I guess they're both right. There are 12 major road repair projects underway right now across the Upper Peninsula. These are, of course, being done by the Michigan Department of Transportation, and they range from Ontonagon to Sault Ste. Marie and just about everywhere in between. In fact, several of them are right along US 41, just west of Marquette. In Ishpeming, crews are resurfacing about a mile and a half from Water Street to Malton Road, with one lane open in each direction. And then in Baraga County, 11 miles of US 2 is being resurfaced from M28 to Mead Road with one lane open under flag control. You can find a link to the MDOT construction map for details on these and other construction zones on our website at upmatters.com.